Welcome back, guys. This is Native Daddy. We are going to replace the starter on my 2008 Toyota Tacoma lifted. So we got the replacement here from Amazon. So it's generic, but it's supposedly one of the best. I'll show you the link later on, and change the starter. All right. See you soon. So that is where the starter is. Not sure if you can see that part right there. So in order to get access, we have to take this off, move the brake line, undo this bolt right here, and we got to take off the wheel or the tires. It's all jacked up already, and I'm just gonna take the tire and pop this open and take out the starter. Alright guys, so after taking the old one out, so I didn't have to take this one out. I just move it out of the way and then maneuver this to go inside. And there's two bolts that holds the starter, one up here and one down here. So this is just the old one. So it's gonna go like this. There's a bolt right here, and yeah, just a pain in the butt to take this bolt out. Oh, this one especially. So all right, so I'm gonna bolt it down and we'll see if it starts. Alright guys, so that's the starter right there. So we are going to start the car, see if it works. Alright. Of course we have to connect the battery after we disconnect it before we even touch the starter. So now here we go. Alright, it works. Cool. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.